Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer TRX from Trust Wallet to Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're looking to secure your Tron tokens on a hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. First things first, let's cover the prerequisites. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone, your Ledger Nano X device fully set up and connected to your computer via USB, and of course, some TRX tokens in your Trust Wallet. Make sure your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware. It's crucial for 2025 security standards. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your TRX wallet. You'll see your balance and a Send button. Tap that to start the transfer. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Tron app. If you don't have it installed, use the Ledger Live app on your computer to add it first. Once open, your Ledger will display a receive address. Carefully write this down or keep it on screen, never type it manually to avoid errors. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the receive address from your Ledger into the To field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. Tron uses its own network, so select that if prompted. Review everything, then hit Send, and confirm the transaction on your phone. Step 4. Now, switch to your Ledger Nano X. It will prompt you to verify the transaction details on the device screen. Use the buttons to confirm. This adds an extra layer of security. Once done, the transfer should process quickly, usually within a few minutes. A quick tip. Always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan to ensure it went through. If you encounter any issues, like network congestion, just wait and try again. Remember, in 2025, with evolving regulations, keep an eye on any new compliance steps for TRX transfers. There you have it. Your TRX is now safely on your Ledger Nano X. This method keeps your assets offline and secure. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.